है डर तेरी
Hello everyone watching. We've come out to our beautiful canal to shoot an appreciation post for this yellow beauty. This is a Continental GT 535, the second generation Continental GT that ever came. The first one was way back in the 70s, and this is the OG 535 with the single cylinder 535 UCE engine. Now this motorcycle sparked a different era of motorcycles for Royal Enfield, because this is where it all began. The 650 that you see today, you can say thanks to this. Now in 5 seconds, enjoy the B-roll, enjoy a couple of point of view shots, and just sit back, enjoy this magnificent machine and that little toy. And also this video is being recorded on the DJI Action 2. So if you're watching this, comment down below how the audio and video quality is, and yeah, that's all.
जिसको मैंने छीना छिपका छोड़ दिया कि मेरी नादानी कि मैं ना सुन सका सोचा मैं था काफी लग गई है हवा पर अब मैं यहाँ और अब तू यहाँ है पीछे दबा है आगे है प्यार धीरे 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 आएंगे रुक मत जानम हम भी तेरे साथ वालेंगे कभी कभी जानम हम भी तेरे ख्वाब में शामिल थे कभी मत उठना कभी मत रोना जब मैं चाहूं दुनिया से जाऊं दुनिया से जाऊं दुनिया से जाऊंगा दुनिया से जाऊं